Hello students. Previous video I explained what is linear equation and some example I have explained and some solution also I have explained of the self practice 7a. Now go ahead of this same self practice we have to do question number 7, 9, 10, 15, 17 and 19. These are the some typical question I have taken from the exercise. And rest other question, whatever I will left, just try yourself. Okay. Same method you have to apply in that question also. There will be no any different method. Just be careful with the sign and be careful with the calculation. Then you will get correct answer. And just use correct process. Now, just listen carefully each and every steps. Question number 7 we have to do. Here, linear equation. This one is given. And here a small bracket also is there, and here 15 sine 15 plus 3 small bracket 4x minus 30. Here nothing written means minus multiply sign is there. Okay, so here multiplication is there. So first of all we have to remove this small bracket. Okay, so just 15 plus 3, just remove this small bracket, then 3 will multiply here also and here also. So 3 4 12x will come, and 3 into 30 it will come minus 90 is equal to 33. Okay, now again we have to do same process. First of all, just transpose this both value in that side, and because we have to separate constant variable separate we have to make. Okay, so for that 12 same as it is in this side only, and this both side, this both value will separate in that side. So here 33 will be same as it is now, minus 90, then it will come plus 90, and here plus 15 is side, then it will go with there minus 15. Okay, now we will, this both value will be added and then 15 will be subtracted. So 12x is equal to 3 and 9 plus 3 12, 123 minus 15 will come. Now just subtract 123 minus 15, then how much will it will come? Then it will come 108. And here 12x sign is there. Just write on here implies. Now again 12 multiply sign is there. Then again this 12 will separate that side. Then it will come under division. So x is equal to 108 upon 12. Now we can cancel out in 12 level. Directly can cancel out. 12 9 is 108. So x is equal to 9. Final solution of this equation is x is equal to 9. Value of the equation is x is equal to 9. This is the final answer. Okay. Now question number 9. Here again this one is 3x plus 5, and here 0.5x minus sign is there, minus 7 is there. So here difference is here point sign, means here decimal coefficient is there, and here integer coefficient is there, and here again integer, again integer. So there will be no any worry about this. Just again transpose constant one side and variable one side, another side. So this 0.5x will come this side and this 5 will go that side. So 3x, then again here nothing written means plus, then it will come here, then minus will come. So minus 0.5x is equal to, here minus sign is as it is, minus 7, and this plus will go that side, again minus 5 will come. Okay. Now you have to subtract. How will subtract 3 minus 0.5? So here just write down how we are subtracting 3 minus 0.5. Same process we will do here also. So this one integer and this one in decimal. So again we can convert into like decimal here also. So 3.0 minus 0.5. So this one is a like variable, like decimal. So now write down like this. Okay. Now we can subtract here like this. Okay. Now take borrow from here, then it will come 10. 10 minus 5, then it will come 5. Here 2 is there, so 2.5 is there. So just write down here 2.5x. So subtraction of this both are 2.5x. Sometimes a student will do wrong. Here they will subtract like this, then it will come wrong answer. Okay, because this one is integer, this one is decimal. So first of all you have to convert or like decimal, then you have to subtract. Now minus 5 minus 7 sign is there, so both are negative integer and then will be both added and answer will come in minus only. So minus 7 minus 5 minus 12 will come. Okay. So just write down here minus 12. 7 minus 7 minus 5 minus 12. Now we have to again here 2.5 sign is there, 2.5, then it will go there, then division will come. So x is equal to minus 12 upon 2.5. Okay, like this. Now after that just remove this decimal point, so it will come here 10. If you will remove, then you can cancel out here by 5 table, 2 5 and 5 5. Now then multiply here, so it will come minus 24 upon 5. So x is equal to minus 24 upon 5. But maybe question answer will come in decimal. So we can subtract by 5 to 24. Sorry, divide. We can divide by 5 to 24. So here 4 jar 20 will come, and then remainder is 4. Then we can put here decimal also. We can divide. So point, then 0 will come 8 jar. So here 40. So final answer is minus 4.8. Here minus sign is there, then answer will come minus only, minus 4.8. X is equal to minus 4.8. This is the final solution. Okay. Like that you can find in decimal. So answer maybe in decimal or maybe in fraction also. So in fraction this one is the answer, and in decimal this one is the answer. Or you can convert it to mixed fraction also, because numerator is greater than denominator. That's why. Now question number 10. In this also decimal value is given. So 0.1 into t minus 3, and here 0.15 into t minus 4. Here multiply sign is there. So again, first of all, what we will do here? First of all, we will multiply these both. First of all, remove this small bracket. So just remove 0.1 into t. It will come 0.1 into t minus 0.1 into 3. So just we will multiply 0.1 into 3. How much will come? It will come 0.3. So just write down here 0.3. Okay. Again, just multiply this here 0.15 into t. So it will come 0.15 t, and minus it will come 0.15 multiply 4. 0.15 multiply 4. So how much will come? 15 4 just 60 will come. So 0.60 like that. Okay. So just write down here 0.6. No need to write 0. After that, again here variable and constant value is there. So just transpose this constant that side, and this variable will come this side. So just we will transpose it. 0.1 t minus, here plus sign is there, then this will shift it this side, then minus will come. So minus 0.15 t. Okay, is equal to this minus 0.3 shifted this side, then it will come plus, and here minus is there. So just write down here minus 0.6 plus 0.3. Okay. Now we have to subtract these both and subtract these both. Both are here plus sign means it will not add it. Here minus sign is there. That's why we have to subtract, and here also we have to subtract. Okay. So for subtraction we have to make like decimal here 0.1 is there. Then we have to put 1 0 and minus 0.15. Then we have to subtract. Okay. But here negative value is more, then answer will come in minus only. So here we will subtract, then it will come minus 0.05. Okay. So just write down here minus 0.05 t. Okay. After that we will subtract these both, minus 0.6 into then it will come again minus 0.3. We will subtract. Now we have to find value of t. Again multiply sign is there. Then we have to shift that side. So t is equal to minus 0.3 upon minus 0.05. Then minus will get cancelled, and then it will come in plus, and then remove this both decimal. Here 100 will come, and here 10 will come. Now we have to cancel out. So here 300 upon 50. This one, then 6. So final answer is 6. So t is equal to 6. This is the final solution. Okay. So like that we will do, then you will also get correct answer in other question. Same types of question it will come. Okay. Now question number 15 we have to solve. Here fraction is given in each part, just you see here, and denominator is different, and here adding sign, integer is there. No worry about this, just you take LCM of this and add. How we are adding algebraic expression, how we are adding like term, just like this we have to add, because both are like term, all three are like term because variables are same. So first of all for addition, here fraction is given, so we have to take LCM 2, 3, 6, then LCM will come 2, 3, 6 is 6 only, okay. Now we have to make denominator same, so just write down here 6 and then just repeat. In 2 tables 6 will come 3 times, then we have to multiply here 3, okay. In 3 tables 6 will come 2 times, then we will multiply by 2, and here 6 1 just 6, then it multiply by 1 1. So here 3x will come plus 2x plus x. No need to write 1 is equal to 18. Now we will add 2x plus 3x plus 2x, 5x and 1x, 6x. So it will come 6x upon 6 is equal to 18. Here 6 will get cancelled out. Then final here x is there, so final answer is 81. X is equal to 18. This is the final answer. Okay. So like that we will do. Next one. Here we have to solve this part. How will solve? First of all, either you can shift this value this side or no need. If you don't want to shift, just you take LCM whatever how we are taking here LCM. Same types we have to take LCM here also. So if you want, you can take LCM 2 and 3. Then it will become LCM is 6 only. Okay. So LCM will be 6. Then again we have to make denominator same. So here 2 tables 6 will come 3 times. So then multiply in both the term by 3. Just you put here into 3 bracket. Put here bracket because we will get confused. So just you multiply this 3 in both the term. After that again here also 3 tables 6 will come 2 times. In 3 tables so we have to multiply by here 2. And 2 previous sign is also there and one more 2 will come. Now then we have to multiply 3p plus 3 1 is 3. Now here minus sign is there, then put here minus, and then 2 2 is 4. Okay, 2 2 is 4 and into p 4p, and here minus again. Then this minus will go inside, then it will come plus, and 4 will come. 4 1 is 4 is equal to 0. RHS is 0. Now both are like term and these both are constant will be added same time. So 3p minus 4p and 3 plus 4 7 will come upon 6 is equal to 0. Now we will subtract this both, minus p will come, okay, because this one is greater. So it will come in minus p plus 7 upon 6 is equal to 0. Nothing written means 1. Just you make cross multiplication here. This will shift it that side. Cross multiply. If fraction sign is there, then cross multiply. Then 1 will multiply here and 6 will multiply there. Then it will come like this. Minus p plus 7 here 1 is there. So there will be no any effect. It will multiply this whole term by 1. Then same value will come. Okay. And 6 into 0. Here 0 into 6 will come equal to 0 only. Okay. So again RHS part is 0 only. Now just shift this 7 that side. We have to find p, value of p. So we have to shift. So minus p is equal to 0 minus 7. So minus p is equal to minus 7. Then minus minus will get plus, cancel out. So p, value of variable is p is equal to 7. This is the final answer. Okay. P is equal to 7. Now we have to solve question number 19. How we solve? Same here. Whatever this side is given, same types of question is also given here. So for that 3 5 is given here. For that we have to take LCM again, and there is nothing written means 1. So just write down here 1. So here 1 3 5. So LCM we have to take 1 3 5. It will come 15. 3 5 is 15. LCM will be 15. So just write down here LCM is 15. Now in the one table 15 will come 15 times, so we have to multiply by 15. For we are making denominator same, that's why we are doing same process. Now in 3 table it will come 5, so multiply by 5 again here also. Either you can write here 5. After that in 5 table it will come 3 times, so just put here bracket into 3 like this. Okay. Now just you multiply here. So will multiply here plus sign, so just write down here plus, and then 3 3 are 9x will come, 9x, and this 3 1 3 will come, is equal to 0. Okay, either you can cross multiply now itself only, then 15, this 15 will transpose this side and this one will go that side, so it will come like this. Whatever we have did here, same process we are doing there also. So this one is constant, so we can subtract like directly. So we will subtract 150 to 25, it will come 125, and one constant sign is there also, constant value, so plus 3, and then this one is variable, minus 25x plus 9x is equal to 0 into 15, then it will come 0 only. Okay, now this again we have to add 125 plus 3, it will come 128, and then just we will subtract 25 plus 9. No, we will not add because minus sign is there, so we will subtract finally. Okay, so we will subtract, it will come minus 16x is equal to 0. Now transpose this 128 in that side, there plus sign is there, so it will shift that side, then it will come minus. So minus 16x is same as it is this side only, and 0 minus 128, then it will come minus 128 only. Okay, now again here multiply sign is there, so we will shift this minus 16 to that side, then it will come x is equal to minus 128 upon minus 16. Again minus minus will be cancel out, and then 16 8 ja 128, so it will cancel out by 8. Okay, so final answer is x is equal to 8. This is the final solution, okay, of this equation. Question number 19. So whatever I have left, just try yourself. Okay, just same method you have to use. There will be no any different method. Be careful with the sign. We are doing cross multiplication and whatever. Just do correct method. Okay, that's all.